Hello, I'd like to mention about the AI agent inside Unity environment. At the beginning, you should create a VAPI account in that website, vapi.ai, and then after that, going to dashboard, and there's an assistant folder in there. You are creating a new assistant in there with your desired name. There should be a blank template because we won't use these qualities inside. We want to change it, and there is an ID inside there. Just copying it, and after then, just an object like we can name this like a manager because it's managing the API sections, API things inside. Just copying this and pasting there. It is then for API key. There's an API key section. And for example, I named my API key as code and I'm copying it for being able to use the assistant in there. And there are three sections, model, voice, and transcriber. The model is at the beginning, the voice is the transcriber. That's the first one. That transcripts are speaking into a text and then gives to model and model things and gives to voice, and we are at the final taking the voice as audio inside the Unity. And there are lots of uh, providers about their task. You can use anyone because they are capable to use between. But the defaults are those, and I didn't change anything because that's the most common one inside the API. And then, by the way, you can manage the system prompt and other things inside for make it more custom. That's just one of the examples, and there are also generate button with a that looks like. So the video is interrupted. Sorry about it. And when we play the game, after attaching the script into the manager, in that case it's the cube, and it has the audio source. I attach the audio source of the manage game object, which is cube, into the attribute side of the script because if you wanna make it 3D sounds like that, when you drag and drop it at the scene, the echo and the other sounds specifications are changing due to the position of the object inside. So it's important to attach one of the audio source there, which should be the audio source of the object. So you can add it. For debugging purposes. There's a GUI which shows the uh, vitals, the numerics of the system in there for just testing, and also in there you can, as an observer of the experiment, you can change which button is stopping the WebSocket connection between the R Unity and the API. Basically means the connection between uh, AI agent and the user. In that case, it's keypad 9 button, and I'm just pressing it. Unlock. I don't have any clue what that's happened, but maybe due to I clicked another section. Yeah.
Hello again.
Yo, hello, can you hear me?
Hey there. Yep, I'm here and ready to chat. What's up?
Yeah, I would like to make you a quiz.
Sounds fun. Hit me with your best questions. I'm ready.
The quiz will be about my nationality, and the first hint is my country was an empire 100 years ago.
Ooh, I love a good mystery. An empire 100 years ago, huh? Interesting. Is your country in Europe by any chance?
The a small area of the my country is in the Europe, but the rest are not in.
Hmm, got it. An empire with just a small part in Europe. Could it be Turkey?
Yeah, can you stop?
Um,
And it stopped.
um,
Mhm. Can you please count up to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you explain what is XR, the extended reality?
Sure thing. Extended reality, or XR, refers to an umbrella term for all immersive tech that blends the physical and virtual worlds. This includes virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. VR fully immerses users in a virtual
Okay,
world.
stop.
AR overlays. All right.
Can you please give me one question about testing and LLM? Because I don't have any idea about
Sure.
pushing till hard the capabilities of the LLMs. Give me just one.
Sure thing. How about this? How do you determine the performance and accuracy of an LLM when generating text for various topics?
So can you answer it?
Sure. To determine the performance and accuracy of an LLM, you can start by evaluating its responses across different topics for consistency and relevance, set up some test prompts covering various subjects, and analyze the responses for coherence, creativity, and factual accuracy. You can also compare its outputs to established benchmarks or use it in specific tasks like sentiment analysis or summarization to see how well it performs. It's all about testing in different scenarios to get a well rounded view of its capabilities. How does that sound?
It sounds well. Can you explain then uh, what is the quick sort algorithm?
Oh, quicksort is a neat one. It's a sorting algorithm that's quite efficient. Basically, it works by selecting a pivot element from the array and then partitioning the other elements into two groups, those less than the pivot and those greater than the pivot. Once that's done, quicksort is
Yeah, okay,
applied
stop.
recursively to both.
I will ask you another question. I am just
Okay, ready when you are.
I just attached the audio source to one object, and I opened the 3D adjustments, and when I am moving the object which is speaking, I can observe the Doppler effect in the Unity. Is this Doppler or different something?
Yeah, you're spot on. That is the Doppler effect. Unity has built-in features that simulate the Doppler effect when a sound source moves relative to the listener. It's that change in frequency or pitch you hear when the object moves closer or further away. Super cool that you're experiencing it firsthand in your project. Do you find it enhances your 3D environment?
Okay, thank you all.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have more questions or need help. I'm here.
And then the connection is destroyed since I pressed the K9 again. Thank you.